welcome to Newfoundland and Labrador Studies 2205. This is Unit 3, The Country Grows. I'm Miss Fleming, your instructor for this course. Hello. This is Section 2, Lesson 4, Video 1, on Early Mining and Change. Newfoundland and Labrador has some of the oldest rocks in the world. There are unusual rock sequences that have been subject to tectonic forces, resulting in a wide variety of mineral resources. Knowledge of these resources became known to European immigrants in the 1800s through surveys and exploration, and became economically viable thanks to the railway. Let's talk about early mining first. Mining in this place goes back to ancient indigenous populations. Various indigenous populations used rocks and minerals to make cutting implements and other tools. Geological evidence also suggests that there was organized mining in the Rama Bay area thousands of years ago. Chert, the mineral from Rama Bay, was worked into various tools that have been found as south as Maine, suggesting a trade system among indigenous peoples of the time. If you're unsure where Rama Bay is, it is up here, northern Labrador in the Torngat Mountains. Additionally, soapstone quarries near Fleur-de-Lis on the Baie Verte Peninsula indicate that Dorset mined soapstone in blocks for lamps and other tools. This is one such soapstone lamp. Now let's talk about changing economic patterns. There were some mining efforts, commercial that is, in the 1700s, but only in coastal areas where resources could be shipped by sea. The first major commercial mining operation was a copper mine in Tilt Cove from 1864 to 1917. The Tilt Cove mine was one of the largest producers of copper in the world when it was in operation. If you're unsure where Tilt Cove is, let's see it on the map. That's Tilt Cove right there. And I wanted to bring your attention to these two photographs. I had to include them when I saw them, because they're pretty awe-inspiring. This first image here is a group of people looking down into the copper mine shaft. You can really see how vast it was. And then the second photo is from inside the mine shaft looking up. Really makes you think about how big these operations were. Mines in Newfoundland and Labrador were smaller operations. The large-scale operations were the following: Bell Island mines, which were for iron ore; the Buckens mines, which were for zinc, lead, and copper ore; and lastly, St. Lawrence mines for fluorspar. We will talk about all three of these operations in the next video. And now it's time to continue to that video, but please take a break if you need one, and I'll see you in a bit.